kind of efforts or something like that. But if you always try to follow the complicated ways to learn English language, like reading grammar books, text books, reading newspapers, and all of those different kind of like boring and hard complicated things, those things is not going to help your improving skills, speaking skills actually, because the more you read new grammar books, vocabularies, and grammar rules, textbooks, those things will give you extra pressures in your brain, right? Because you have to remember so many different kind of things. And whenever you is speaking with other people using those different kind of grammar rules, probably you are thinking about I have to use correct grammar, I have to use correct vocabularies whenever I having with other people in a conversations. And these things which will literally going to decrease your English fluency, right? So this is doesn't work. So instead of that, as much as possible, try to having a conversation with other people. This is this is actually a great tool to improving English language for all English learners all over around the world, right?
I think I think the reason to don't talk English because I I don't to speak English usually.
Yeah.
Yes. Right now I to talk the grammar, to talk the pronunciation, to talk the IPA, to talk the to talk the here it to the YouTube, to the TikTok. I had to on the study English. And I to talk English very good than here.
Okay, no problem. Whenever you get free time, you can practice your English language with other people. You can come to that platforms in order to finding so many different countries people, and those are the things is literally going to help your English language. Those things is literally going to improving your English language as well, right? So yeah, having a conversation with other people is well, really a great platform, a great tool to improving English language. Doesn't matter, all over around the people. Yes. So why do you think you need to learn English language at that time?
To study English in the night come home. I do in the morning the I do the company to the